we have chicken. You can see yourself, it's chicken. With the rice.
Wow.
And the eggs all in here.
Okay.
Alright, okay. By mutton. Okay, it's also like it's the same, but it's just mutton.
Mutton. May I just look at your mutton? Oh wow.
So you can see our mutton
So
it's not cubes. It's not cubes, huh?
Okay.
So it's a what? Mutton shoulder.
Oh good. Can I see that mutton shoulder?
Yeah, I'll try to get one piece for you.
Oh great. That one.
Yes, I'll be there. Huh?
Oh nice.
So this is one whole piece. It's not cubes.
Oh beautiful.
Alright.
Okay. Alright. I'll get one mutton please.
Alright. So then our in-house specialty, which is in great demand, is fried bitter gourd.
Fried bitter gourd. So must have it together.
Okay. So our principle is we want to serve food that is delicious. And it's not sold in the market and it's authentic.
It's authentic.
Yeah.
And the recipe comes from your family.
The recipe is a family recipe.
Nice. Okay, cool.
But we Malaysianize the recipe a bit.
Okay.
Because we Malaysians, we have a distinct taste.
Okay.
Alright? So basically, what I do is it's authentic Pakistani style.
Right.
Only style, but it's Malaysian flavor.
Beautiful.
Okay?
Okay, I'll have one pack.
One ham butter, eh?
Yes, please. Let's check out the bitter gourd over here. Super crispy. This is their specialty. Not bitter at all. Very tasty. Yum. Excellent stuff. So this is the biryani. Very light, very different flavor. I think this is a really secret recipe from the family, because I've never tasted anything like it. Really excellent. So you can see that they're very generous with the lamb. You've got to try this with a little bit of achar and a bit of the sauce. Fantastic. One of the best biryanis I think I've ever tried here in Malaysia. Gotta check it out.